Hi, how are you? Today we're going to draw a nice scenery of mountains and lakes. Let's draw the mountains here. We can draw a straight line in the beginning like this. All right. Few grasses here. These grasses usually we find beside the lakes. These trees are called the Khan's trees. Khan's trees, the flowers usually they are white in color. We do see the white color from far distance. All right. There is straight line in the middle. We can see the lines of the trees from the far distance on the other side of this lake, and the mountains are visible like this. All right. Here you see the house. The doors and the windows, little grass on the side of this lake. There are grasses. The soil is little hilly up here, and we can draw a big tree over the house, giving the shades to its rooftop. The branches and the leaves. Usually we can draw the basic leaves with the shape of a clouds. You see the clouds in the sky. So the group of leaves can be drawn like a clouds. So this is like the basic drawing. Let's put the blue color on the lake. Okay. And the sky blue color on the sky too. These are the basic outlines and the colors we are giving it here. All right. and the grasses will be green in color, and the trees too. These tree lines also get the same color here. All right, now let's put dark green border for this drawing. Few steps has the light green shades. Let's put light greens here. Straw house. Now we can draw the outlines a little clearer, like we draw the house here. The window will be little dark. Doors are dark too because of the shades of the sun falling over the house. Few hatch like little shades like this. Mhm. Branches of the trees, few shades here. The shades on one side like this. The trees line up here. Mountains are dark in one side, and other side looks lighter. So the drawing is almost done. Few shades here, grasses will be here. right. I hope you guys like the scenery. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Have a good day.